Let's fire it up. We're firing it up to YouTube. Simulcasting here for the next, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour. We're going to trade the open here on this Wednesday, April 26, 2023. Let's get this money as we get ready. Lots of earnings yesterday. We went through them this morning over on Twitch. I recommend you all stop on by. Enjoy that little bit of action. We'll get ready for this open here. I'm expecting a large number of dings. I didn't even get to all the alerts I set yesterday. But heck yeah. Let's get this money. Hello, Just Chess. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the follow. Lasagna Fizzle again. Zoomery YR6. Appreciate you, sir. All right, let me fire this up. That's my cue. Who's ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
Let's get it.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Yeah, Trey's fun. Trey's more degen. Jay's all business.
Y'all ready for this?
Great hunting, everyone. May your winners run, and may your stop losses stop short. Let's go. I'm ready. Let's see where we open up here. We're easily going to take back this this gap higher. The rut is what I'm watching early on here, and then we'll make the trades as they come in. I'll try to call them out here. I'm expecting a lot here. But we'll call out the trades as we go. And then when we get caught up, when we have a chance to breathe, we will review the trades, why we made them. We may do a little of that during the trade as well. Here we go. Here we go. Expected a bigger gap up. Yeah. I think that's fair. GBTC's moving higher. Chipotle, FRC. We'll sell some Chipotle first. Let's get in there and sell some of that. Chipotle had earnings after the bell yesterday. So we'll sell a piece of that. I recently bought 2 pieces there on the 21st of April. 5% below where I wanted to. And now it's time to sell some. Because it's 5% above where I last sold it. As soon as Robinhood lets me. $18.14. Bought some at $17.96. So we'll sell that first piece. above 1814. 1888 is where I'm looking. Huh. I was supposed to sell some at 1888 or 1907. We're at 1923. We'll sell that first of two pieces that we bought then. I still own, after that sale, a total of almost 11 pieces. MicroStrategy is moving higher, probably on the backs of that Coinbase news, or that big bump up in Bitcoin. Carrier's moving lower. I will buy a piece of Carrier here. I'm surprised I'm not getting more dings, honestly. I'll buy a piece of Carrier Group. It's below, well, it was below 40.78. It is bouncing back now. I'll hang in there for a little bit. I got till 41. Let's see if we get a little bit more of a push down again. We'll buy a piece here at 40.91. It's between 41 and 40.78, so in line. I do build it. I do build with a little cushion so that I don't have to get my price completely. Gonna buy some Texas Instruments here. It's 10% below where I last sold it. I only got two pieces left on Webull. Or two pieces out of that. Two pieces on that buy. $166.82. All right, we're buying it. Got it for $166.86. That's fine. Again, within that range. We actually need to fill the gap to the upside. Numbers are looking a little wonky because they take the price at 4, but futures trading continues. GE Healthcare is moving lower. I'll buy some of that as well. We'll buy some GE Healthcare here. I own actual shares of that as opposed to partials. Got filled for $77.91. They also created or established a dividend on GE Healthcare. It's not a lot. It's only 3 cents, but nice to see. We'll buy more GE Healthcare. I'll flip over to it here real quick. At 74.01. It was 5% below where I last bought it, which is why I'm buying it again. And I'll look at when it's time to sell some at 81.81. That's the third piece I've bought on this move down from earnings. Ryder moving lower. I am not going to buy Ryder there. I will wait till a 10% move down. They did have earnings this morning. 74.52 is where I will buy the next piece of Rider. That will be 10% below where I last bought it, but Rider's been sliding here. I've bought 4 pieces already on this move down. I'm not, you know, as I'm cautious on the economy and markets in general, I'm also cautious on my buys. Adobe. Adobe is moving lower. Chipotle Mexican Grill just hit a new all-time high. Very nice. Adobe moving lower. I'm basically going to buy back the piece I sold on the 27th of March for 5% cheaper. Chipotle again. Moving higher. All-time highs. Sold a little bit already this morning. Nice to see. Market's still trying to find direction. We do have AD line improving as we do ticks. Breath is still kind of hanging out at the 0 line. Nice to see the rut come back. They were down the most out of the majors. And now we're up 0.1%. NASDAQ 100 obviously leading the way. But remember, it's only 100 companies. It doesn't represent a broad enough swath of the markets. Now we just wait. We just wait for the next move. We did kind of pull up here in this zone we were watching from yesterday. Let's move it out. Let's move it out today. Let's see what we get. Obviously, overnight lows. What we got for overnight lows here? Overnight low extended yesterday's down move by a tiny bit. I mean, obviously, I think that's going to be an area to watch as well. Let's just draw it up here. Whoa. Oh, does that draw up? It doesn't. Alumina's moving lower. We'll buy a little bit of that. It's showing me, my alert is showing me that it's 5% lower than when I last bought it on the 20th of March. So we're going to buy another piece of that. A small piece. $209.74. Oh, it's popped up since the alert. Yeah, it popped up. Nice. After hitting my my alert. Let's see if we get some follow through on the way down, but it looks like buyers waiting down there. How's Microsoft holding up? That move higher on Microsoft was not enough for me to sell it, though. No run in this morning. I think I'm bearish for the short term. I too am bearish. We are now getting a breakdown, heading towards this low yesterday, and the overnight low is a little bit below this. I feel like the pressure is still to the downside. It'll be curious to see. I think there's going to be... We got the debt ceiling. That is on my mind. Have I gotten a push lower on Illumina? We're going to buy a little Illumina here. I picked a piece at 208.94. A little bit higher, but I got cushion there. It's quiet. It's quiet. Yeah, they just mentioned First Republic halted, but then what's it? Just mentioned that it's due to imbalances. Is it time to buy some of that? Maybe I buy another piece at 683. I'm gonna see where it reopens, and I might buy a piece. All right, you know what? I mean, I think I feel like that's the open. I've traded the open. It's not much going on here. I was expecting a busier morning, to be honest. Just listening to Kramer. Let's go back and set some alerts for CMG since I did sell some. I want to make sure that I'm ready to buy again or sell more. We'll sell the next piece at $20, or I'm sorry, $2,025.05. We will reload at 1828.51. Chipotle, just a monster. New all-time highs today. People love their burritos. My goodness. I have caddy issues. Good morning. Good morning. Bought Microsoft at 36.12 today. You bought Microsoft at 36.12? Where can I buy Microsoft for $36.12? Oh, years ago. And you're still holding it? Good for you, man. I would have been taking profits on moves higher and buying more on moves down because there's been plenty of those. You probably could have if you were trading the Jay Jared way, you could probably own all that stock that you own now. It'd be zero cost basis for you. And you've been able to use all that money you spent buying Microsoft years ago and all the way to invest in other things. But I still love the fact that you're holding it. Honestly, that's awesome. All right, so we got Chipotle in there. This is why we scale in and we scale out. It's a fundamental principle of, in fact, I need to add that to my tips list. Tips for beginners. I don't know if that belongs in tips for beginners, though. I think that just belongs in tips. Scale in, scale out. That's hard to do for a beginner. Like, that just comes with knowledge. Knowledge. Anyway, my goodness. At this rate, I might be able to sell more Chipotle again today. That's crazy. Go, baby, go. All right. Honestly, I'm checking something. Sorry. Honestly, I think the more we can wrap the morning. A quiet morning. I'll give it 10 more minutes, right? I mean, if we were busy, I'd say, yeah, but I mean, you've basically got markets going sideways again. As imbalances just kind of settle out from yesterday. I mean, the Nasdaq's up. Nasdaq 100's up 1%. How's FRC doing? I bought another piece of FRC here at 667. I'll sell that piece back at $8.01. And then I'll potentially think about buying more. And we'll buy more. We'll consider buying more at $5.33. Why? Why, do you ask, Jay? Because fortune favors the bold. Be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. That's why. We'll wait. Carrier, I own Carrier. They're talking about Carrier. Let's look at them real quick. I like this move. Are you going to spin them off or are you just going to sell them? Yeah, I mean, I think that like longer term, the dollar weakening is not a good thing. How Treasury's doing today? Treasuries are flat. That 1 month is down 17 basis points. I mean, obviously, you're just seeing a lot of money move into the 1 month because of the debt ceiling and, you know, money markets and just that yield chase by banks and customers. All right, I'll give it another 5 minutes here, and then we'll wrap it up over on YouTube. For those watching on YouTube, my name is Jay Jared. This is Jay Jared Live. We stream every day, or we have been streaming every day on Twitch. We did try to do the dual stream on YouTube and Twitch and Kick. But due to some just, I think, physical constraints with the hardware I'm using, it's been difficult to get them to run all day. So we're going to break it up a little. We're going to try something new. Appreciate you stopping by. We'll try to do it again tomorrow. But again, you want to watch me all day? Head on over to Twitch/JayJaredLive. Stop by. Tell me how you found me as we try to increase our audience. Sunrun moving lower. I will not be buying Sunrun there. God, I'm tired of buying Sunrun. I'll mark Sunrun down for 10% below that last buy. I think it's going to be a heavy market today. I think they're at least going to want to test the... They're going to want to test overnight lows, which was slightly below yesterday's lows, and then let's see where they come in. Cliffs is moving lower. I probably will buy Cliffs there. And yeah, good luck in your trading. Great hunting, I should say. And we'll see you again tomorrow, God willing.